So now I'm mounting the door hardware for this door to the master bathroom. And this, there was a longer strike plate on here before. So I got a gap over here, and the question was to go here or there, and I figured out, marked where the latch hit. So it needs to be mounted there. And there's no place for this screw to thread into. So I'm going to screw it into this hole here. I'm going to put construction adhesive caulk on the strike plate, put it in there, and then we should be good to go. So I got some construction adhesive caulk on the strike plate, and I'll just attach it at the bottom screw right there. Alright, I'll let that set for 24 hours. And then this part up here I'm going to fill with Bondo and paint it. Actually, I found a long screw for this guy right here. And it went all the way through and reached that. So the construction adhesive caulk is superfluous. So now I can, I'll fill this in with Bondo and paint it. So you can see this little notch here and this one up here. That's where this edge of the door knob needs to fit those slots, but it's too far forward, this to the right. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to grind that edge to make it wider, fit around there without the aid of the slot. So this latch has a slot here, right there. It fits around these two edges. I'm going to grind this opening to make it wider, because this is forward. Instead of making contact here, it's making contact farther toward the strike plate. So I'm going to make this gap bigger. It'll fit on there.